cranberry harvest begins as vast bogs are flooded, bringing the fruit to the surface. Skilled workers carefully guide water wheel harvesters, dislodging vibrant cranberries from their vines into the bog. Witness the vibrant cranberries emerge, forming a natural ruby carpet on the water's surface. The journey of fresh cranberries begins, harvested from bogs and on their way to the plants. Giant trucks deliver the fresh harvest, bringing cranberries from bog to factory. Initial cleaning removes debris, ensuring only the finest cranberries continue. Vibrating grates meticulously separate leaves, twigs, and other unwanted materials. Only perfectly cleaned cranberries proceed to the next stage of processing. The unique balance separator sort cranberries by quality, ensuring only the firmest continue. Only the plumpest and most resilient berries possess the perfect bounce to clear the hurdles. Skilled technicians meticulously oversee the automated sorting, guaranteeing peak quality. Final inspection line, skilled hands ensure only the finest cranberries continue their journey. Every berry is scrutinized, their sharp eyes and swift hands are the final guardians of quality. This painstaking manual check guarantees that only the highest quality berries proceed to the next stage. This crucial manual stage underpins the unwavering quality standards of ocean spray. The journey of cranberries transforms as they enter the powerful screw presses. Skilled hands ensure every cranberry is precisely positioned for optimal juice extraction. Within the press, juice begins to separate, revealing the liquid gold of cranberries. Immense pressure transforms cranberries into pure, vibrant juice, marking a crucial step in the process. part of the plant pulses with rhythmic power, extracting every drop of pure cranberry essence. From plump cranberries to glistening juice, every drop captures the essence of the fruit's natural goodness. Pristine steam rises, a testament to the warmth and precision of the extraction process. The rich, pure cranberry juice is now ready for its next stage, a testament to quality.
The pressure on line 3 is fluctuating outside the acceptable parameters.
I see that.
Juice extraction
Let's adjust
process.
the flow rate slightly and monitor the result.
They fine-tune settings with expertise, ensuring optimal extraction without compromising the fruit's integrity.
The
This
pressure on line
vigilance
3 is
ensures
still
consistent
fluctuating outside
quality
the
from every
acceptable
batch,
parameters.
I'm
maximizing the
compensating
yield
with the flow rate
efficiently.
now. That should stabilize it before the next cycle.
Each cranberry is carefully processed, ensuring every drop contributes to the rich, distinctive flavor.
Yield metrics are stabilizing right on target.
Looks good. We are clear for the next sequence.
Pressed cranberry pomace, that's a vital part of the fruit, begins a new journey. This byproduct is carefully managed, ensuring nothing goes to waste in the process. This valuable byproduct moves towards its next destination, extending the cranberry's utility. In sterile blending rooms, advanced technology ensures every ingredient is precisely measured. Carefully selected cranberry concentrate is added, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor and quality. Powerful agitators ensure uniform consistency, blending ingredients into a perfect mix. Each batch is perfected, ready to become the vibrant, delicious juice enjoyed worldwide. Precision blending transforms cranberry concentrate into the perfect juice foundation. A powerful impeller creates a deep vortex, expertly blending ingredients. Through careful blending, perfectly homogeneous and flavorful juice is created. Experience the precise journey of juice through immaculate conduits, a testament to quality control. Advanced systems guide the juice precisely, preparing it for pasteurization. Every pipe, every connection, designed for peak performance and purity. Precision heating rapidly elevates the cranberry juice to its exact pasteurization temperature. Then, an equally swift cooling process preserves the juice's fresh taste and nutrients. Every batch of vibrant cranberry juice is rigorously tested for quality and safety. This rapid heating and cooling system ensures maximum flavor and nutrient retention. The pasteurization process is critical to the juice's long-lasting quality and safety. Thousands of empty bottles begin their journey, meticulously prepared for the finest fruit juice. Each bottle undergoes rigorous sterilization, ensuring ultimate purity for the juice. From initial rinse to final air dry, bottles are impeccably prepared. Every detail ensures our juice reaches you in the purest condition. Witness the precision as bottles are perfectly filled with vibrant cranberry juice. Each bottle receives the exact amount, a testament to meticulous engineering. The symphony of mechanics ensures every bottle meets the highest standards. Skilled operators ensure the seamless flow of production. From bogs to bottles, quality is sealed in.
Consistent color, perfect fill. Smooth passage guaranteed.
Precision engineering ensures every bottle is sealed with care. Skilled workers meticulously oversee every step of the bottling process. final visual inspection before continuing its journey. Through meticulous checks, only the highest quality products reach consumers. Precision engineering ensures every bottle receives its iconic ocean spray label flawlessly. Heat tunnels activate, perfectly shrinking the labels for a sleek, tamper-evident finish. Skilled hands and advanced machines work in harmony, embodying American manufacturing excellence. Continuous quality checks ensure every ocean spray bottle meets the highest standards. Bogs to the bottle, every step ensures premium cranberry juice for your table. Precision lasers mark each bottle, ensuring quality and traceability in every batch. Hundreds of bottles pass through code, a testament to unwavering efficiency. Every bottle carries its unique identifier, ready for its journey to consumers. Precision robotics ensure every bottle of vibrant cranberry juice is handled with care. Bottle, containing juice from perfectly ripe cranberries, finds its designated place. The automated system ensures a continuous flow of perfectly packed cranberry juice. Automated precision stacks and wraps each case, preparing them for their next journey. Robotic arms meticulously stack each case, forming perfect interlocking layers on the pallets. Each completed pallet is securely wrapped in clear plastic, ensuring protection and stability. Pallets of freshly bottled juice are meticulously prepared for storage. Expert operators navigate the vast, organized warehouse, ensuring seamless flow. Thousands of pallets stand ready, a testament to American manufacturing excellence.